Greetings one and all, cheers. Hope everyone out there is doing well. I wanted to throw this video out real quick. I have a lot of content coming up. In fact, I have a whole series of videos which I'm probably going to upload 24 hours after this one and it's going to be about, I don't know, 2-3 weeks of videos, I think, give or take, because there's quite a few of them. I got some new gear coming up, videos related to that new gear. It's a tarp overnighter, but with a theme, which you'll see. So that will be midnight tomorrow, because I'm going to upload this. So today is Monday and my Q&A video went up. And then when I get home, I'm going to upload this for midnight tonight. And then, because I always schedule my uploads for midnight, just because that's just what I do. And then then the very next day we'll start the new series. So if you're not subscribed, I would appreciate if you did so, just to check out the videos. I usually do about every other video upload, every other day I do a upload, and I usually keep them between 10 and 20 minutes, just because, you know, as a viewer, I like watching a bit shorter videos because I can watch 3 to 4, sometimes 5 or 6 of videos of people who I've subscribed to, versus where, you know, if Really Big Monkey 1 uploads a video, which I love his channel. I mean, I love his channel, but his videos are between, you know, are long. They're great, but they're long. So it's like I can watch one of his videos where I can watch 4 or 5 of somebody else's. So, you know, I mean, so I have to actually make time to watch his videos where I could be sitting down to dinner and watch, I don't know, Hike with Mike, or Tracy Phillips, or Manline 121, or Jackie Blanchard, you know, just one of those channels, which are all great channels with great people. Forgot one guy, Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors, you know, all great channels. So I can watch all, if they upload a video, I can watch all of theirs in the time it would take me to watch one of David's. Not that David's channel isn't great. I mean, I love Really Big Monkey 1. He has far better channel than I do. I mean, I'm just you know, I'm the low end of the totem pole as far as, you know, videos. So yeah, so there's content. Today was supposed to be an overnighter, but it was derailed by crime, which I have a video coming at probably towards the end of the series. I'll post that, you know, what happened. Well, basically, the short end of it is, what I was going to do, it would involve me parking my car, and I was told that if I park my car, the police could tow it, or someone could steal the car. So either the police towing it's going to be a big tow fee plus lot storage, which is a lot of money, or they could break into the car, which the insurance might cover the damage, but I still have the $500 deductible, and it still might get towed and impounded. So I've got all those combined costs that are a real, you know, hit in the wallet that you don't want to spend. So the place I wanted to camp was taken, and this one is okay. It's right next to the road, so I might just do a day outing. I mean, it's already kind of late, but, you know, what are you gonna do? You know. But then next week next week I've got another plan I'm gonna do, because I did a poll on my community tab. If you go to my main page, there'll be a bunch of tabs like home, videos, community, and like discussion, and like I think other. So I went to the discussion tab and I said, you know, what do you want me to see me do? And a lot of people voted for tent. So I'm going to do that next week, which I'm going to do that in a different area. And that cast iron skillet that I found in the fire pit, actually literally right behind you, is done seasoning. So I'm going to try to cook every meal in that cast iron skillet. So the whole weekend. So I'm gonna bring like extra food and like bring raw stuff. I might do a burger. Could do something kind of breakfast. And I'm only going to use that cast iron skillet. I mean, I might bring something to boil in too, but you know, I've been chomping down at wanting to use that cast iron. It took me a little while to get to it because I don't run my oven all the time, and to me it's like if I'm going to run the oven, I'd rather be baking something like chicken or pizza or something, and I'll already have the oven going, so then I'll just slide the pan in, you know, rub in some oil, throw it in the oven, you know, let it run a little longer, so I'm getting like dual uses out of my oven. I don't like just running the oven just for a pan. I mean, I know I could, but it's one of those things where it's like, well, if I'm already using it, I'll just throw the cast iron in there. So yeah, that's about it. It's a really nice day. Too bad things didn't work out, but you know, part of me, you know, the car theft thing wasn't really, it was out of my hands. There's nothing I could do about that. Nor the site I wanted. See, here comes a car. This is what I'm talking about. Well, it was a motorcycle. Sounded like a Harley, which props to the bike, but you know, I mean, my forest camp is literally just right over there, but I kind of came out today because I thought I was you know, what I thought I was going to be doing. I went for broke. I brought firewood. I brought all kinds of gear. I went pretty heavy, and then I don't want to have to lug everything back there. I mean, I wouldn't lug the wood, but oh, excuse me. I'd probably end up making like 4 or 5 trips. Wow, excuse me. Dang. And, so that is what that is. So, alright. But more importantly, videos coming and reviews are coming up. So stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe if you're not. We'd appreciate it. Won't cost you a thing to subscribe. If you don't like the channel content, you can let me know, and I can try to work on changing it. Or, yeah, you can always unsub too. It won't cost you a thing to do that either. So, all right. Well, appreciate your view. Appreciate your comments. Comments are my favorite part of YouTube. So when you comment, I'm happy. Especially for the Q&A, I might start answering some of the questions today, just because I don't have any other plans. So, yeah, and I'm gonna cook something here probably in a couple hours, but you know, that'll be another video down the road. So lots on the way. So appreciate those of you who stuck with me. Glad you're enjoying the videos. And wow, 8 minutes. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.